In MS Word, if you press dash 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 like this and press enter, it will create a straight line. And if you press double dash and greater than symbol, then it will create an arrow. If you press double equals and greater than symbol and press enter, then it will create an arrow like this. For little more advanced symbols, let's say we want the symbol of copyright. For that, we need to press Ctrl Alt C. And if you press Ctrl Alt T, then it will create the trademark symbol. Now, if you type 2706 and Alt X, it will create a phone symbol. So how are we getting all these shortcuts? Let's check. In the Insert tab, go to Symbol Group, and in the Symbols, click on More Symbols and click on Special Characters. And here you can see we have lots of symbols along with the shortcut keys. You can see for copyright it is Alt Control C, and for registered it is Alt Control R. Similarly for trademark, Alt Control T, and there are so many others. And for lots of more advanced symbols, you need to click on Symbols, and here the font you need to select Segoe UI symbol because it contains the maximum number of symbols. And then you can scroll to check what are the symbols available. You can see there are so many symbols available here, and here you can find an aeroplane symbol. So let's check it. Click on this aeroplane symbol, and here you can find the character code is E0EB from the Unicode format, and the shortcut key for this is E0EB Alt X. So let's try it out. We will type E0EB then Alt X, and it will give us an aeroplane symbol. So like this, wherever you want any symbol you can use, or you can create like this. Let's try one more. If we type 2709 and Alt X, it will create an email symbol. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.